The Epistle of Ignatius to the Magnesians. Chapter 2. That as all must die, he exhorts them to live orderly and in unity. Seeing then all things have an end, there are these two indifferently set before us, death and life, and every one shall depart unto his proper place. For as there are two sorts of coins, the one of God, the other of the world, and each of these has its proper inscription engraven upon it, so also is it here. The unbelievers are of this world, but the faithful through charity have the character of God the Father by Jesus Christ, by whom if we are not readily disposed to die after the likeness of his passion, his life is not in us. For as much therefore as I have in the persons before mentioned seen all of you in faith and charity, I exhort you that ye should study to do all things in a divine concord; your bishop presiding in the place of God, your presbyters in the place of the council of the apostles, and your deacons most dear to me being entrusted with the ministry of Jesus Christ, who was the Father before all ages, and appeared in the end to us. Wherefore taking the same holy course, see that ye all reverence one another, and let no one look upon his neighbour after the flesh, but do ye all mutually love each other in Jesus Christ. Let there be nothing that may be able to make a division among you, but be ye united to your bishop, and those who preside over you, to be your pattern and direction in the way to immortality. As therefore the Lord did nothing without the Father being united to him, neither by himself, nor yet by his apostles, so neither do ye do anything without your bishops and presbyters. Neither endeavour to let anything appear rational to yourselves apart, but being come together into the same place, have one common prayer, one supplication, one mind, one hope, one in charity, and in joy undefiled. There is one Lord Jesus Christ, than whom nothing is better. Wherefore come ye all together, as into one temple of God, as to one altar, as to one Jesus Christ, who proceeded from one Father, and exists in one, and is returned to one.